Yeah, 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 man. I'm just testing my voice, recording at night, some voice action featuring Algebra. But anyways, if you see this kind of the reason I'm using this is I want to explain to you certain concepts most maths teacher will explain to you along the way. So just bear with me for a while. And I know for a fact that you love algebra, I love algebra. You know me, I know you. You know that I know you more than you will ever know you than I know you. So anyways, we have x here on the left hand side. If you see this equal sign, it's as though there's a portal here. Alright, I want to find out the unknown. The unknown is always denoted for with using x. Alright, so if you do not know by now, x is written like this, not like this. Alright, there's a curve V2 so that we can differentiate multiplication times and x. So if you look at this, x times x is x squared. Please do not be confused by this. X plus x is 2x. Alright, 1 apple plus 1 apple is 2 apple. So, okay, let's get back to what I was trying to explain to you guys just now. So, x is the unknown. To find out the unknown, I need to count what are the values here. So, this is 1 and 1. 1 and 1. So, x is, sorry, let me give some space here. X equal to 1 plus 1. In other words, these are like terms, right? These are numbers. So 1 plus 1 will give you 2. And that's it. So this is the equation, the algebraic equation. So if you're okay with this and you're done with this, we're going to pause this video. Alright, I'm back. So now we have learned how to write proper algebraic expression. So let's look at this in this case again. Now we have another addition here. We have a negative 1 here. So on the left hand side, obviously equal sign here first. Left hand side, what do I have? I have x, I have negative 1. I write down. I have x, I have negative 1. Equal to 1 plus 1. We learned that 1 plus 1 previously is 2. Alright. So I want to just, in algebra, on the left hand side, I'm just going to write here, left hand side. This is the right hand side. In algebra, the left hand side is always the unknown. And it's always in 1 unit. Right? I do not want to see like 3x is equal to blah blah blah. I only want it to be final unit. Final answer is x is equal to something. So I want to isolate only the x on the left hand side. I do not want this. So to neutralize this, what happens here? I got negative 1 here. To make this disappear, I need to add the number itself here, 1. Because negative 1 plus 1, aka 1 minus 1, think about it, 1 minus 1 is what? Yes, 1 minus 1 is 0, is nothing. So when you plus 1 on the left hand side, in this portal here, aka the equal side, this side also needs to plus 1. Whatever happens on the left hand side, the right hand side will correspond and also do the same thing. But in this case, 1 minus 1 is nothing. Alright, whereas this one, 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal to something else. So let's look at this. In this abstract version, I need to plus 1 on the left hand side. So I'll just write plus 1 on the left hand side, and I'll just write plus 1 here. So the like terms here, numbers, they will just talk to each other. 1 minus 1 is nothing. So I'm left with, oops, x. Again, 1 minus 1 is nothing. So I'm left with x. So here I have 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. Alright, that's how you solve this kind of algebraic expression. Let's check. If x is really 3, if x here is really 3, 3 minus 1, will it give us 2? Yes. So 3 minus 1, you press on the calculator, you'll get 2 here. Alright. This may sound hard right now, but you need to do this at least like 3-5 times. Then you get used to this. Alright. So I'm gonna stop here. Let you do some practices, and yeah,